I don't believe it. It's magic, Green. It can't. My car is gone. I said it's dangerous. Not at all. Bella, what are you doing? Look, I'm safe. Why? Because I'm wearing a invisible wing coat. Bella, coming home. It's Mom. Bye. Hello, teacher. Can you call our Mom? Of course. Ah, lightning. My phone broken. Wait, I can fix it. It's over. Not yet. Mushroom, your mom. Mom's here. Mom. Ah. You're not my pet. What? I borrowed a helicopter. Mom. It's my mom. Where is she? Just call her. Fix done. Yeah! Great. Let me call Mom. Phone. Oh no, your collar. Oh, Tom. And all the Tom. Mom. Go away. Not my son. He is. But he has no collar. Not Tom. Mom, no. Guys, is this my kid?